This is the 295-page color manual that goes with the Crew Resource Management Instructors course. And each person that goes through the course comes away with this manual that is based on the EASA model. And it's not helicopter specific in Europe, but it's aircraft specific that I've adapted to the helicopter pilots and aircrew. There are 14 modules. Role as facilitator, introduction, error, information processing, situational awareness, SOPs, decision making, communication, leadership, team building, stress, tiredness, and fatigue, workload management, surviving the wires environment, case studies, and automation. It takes the instructor right through the course as they deliver it to their team members, and there's little aide-memoirs for them to look through as they're giving the course so that they remember what to say. I often refer to it, even though I built it and wrote it, I still refer to it to refresh my memory on what I want to present. But it's a comprehensive manual and encompasses 6th generation CRM theory. Along with this manual, the attendee comes away with a flash drive, 8 gig flash drive, and it has all the embedded PowerPoint modules and also 25 handouts that they can print out and give to their team members prior to the course. So I figured, because I'd never seen a course like this, I built one.